Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a copy of the lead vocal and a comp track, so you never lose the original. Enable flex time and choose slicing or monophonic depending on transients, because accuracy hinges on the algorithm. Then, zoom to a 1/4 or 1/8 grid and confirm the project tempo matches the click. This gives you a stable temporal reference. Once done, use the marquee to select the first phrase and make conservative edits. Small moves preserve groove and natural feel. Now you dive into micro-edits. Use flex to nudge problematic transients by samples or milliseconds, because tiny shifts tighten pocket without sounding robotic. When you move regions, add short crossfades to hide clicks and preserve sustain. If you must pitch-correct timing, enable pitch correction or format preservation to avoid chipmunk artifacts. Make constant A/B comparisons against the beat and backing vocals, ensuring the lead still breathes and sits naturally in the groove rather than locking painfully to the grid. Finish by building a final comp from your edits and listen in mix context. You must check phase and level relationships before committing. Use region and track automation to adjust timing nuances and dynamic emphasis, because tiny fades and delays can restore natural feel. If you hear glitches or warbling, revert to the duplicated backup and switch flex mode or reduce edit magnitude. Sometimes manual cut-hand nudge beats algorithmic stretching. Make a rough bounce, then revisit any sections that still feel off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.